Petra, Petra, it's petrifying. I betcha you come here to waste your time. Petra, Petra, come think of this line. So welcome to Petrifying.
Hi there, it's Friday and it's time to find out what's all about this week. So this week was a pretty slow week, only a couple of things happened, but it was still monumentous things with the new year and all that. So let's go over those things now. So something that happened on Monday-ish, I think it was O2L broke up, which is a YouTube collab channel, and so Connor Franta left earlier in 2014, because it's not 2014 anymore. He left, and so from then it hadn't really been what it was, and so the videos started being of worse quality and just infrequent, and so the end everyone kind of saw coming, but for them to officially break it off was pretty sad. But there was a worldwide trend, hashtag O2L forever, and so the 5 boys that were left in it still felt very supported. You know, they've won awards over their career and stuff, so they're doing a really, really good job. And Kian and JC from O2L released their new project, which is future.com/Kian and JC, so they're kind of still doing that collaborating project between the two of them, and I wish them all the best in that. And it's sad to see O2L go, because they were a good kind of standpoint for collab channels, and I think that's kind of what I got my inspiration from back when we were doing Chat in a Hat, which we don't do anymore. But you know, it was a good channel, and you know, I wish all of the 6 of them, including Connor, all the best in what they do with their creative journey now. In the lead up to the new year, there was a big debate over what would be the last meme of 2014, and I personally think it was Iggy Azalea and the freestyle joke. So in an interview she was asked, "Hey Iggy, can you freestyle for us?" And there was some picture of her where she just freaked out, and so she couldn't freestyle, so there was lots of people joking, and they did like little things, and so there were references to like kids' TV shows and, you know, YouTube videos or things where it's just like really simple rhymes. It was like Hannah Montana ones, and some of them are really, really funny. So as far as the media and gossip and things go, that's pretty much it for this week. If you know of anything that I've left out, please let me know down in the comments or any of my social media. All those links will be in the description. And like this video if you got something from it, or if, yeah, that's pretty much it. And please subscribe if you want to see more from me. I make 4 videos a week and I would really appreciate your support. And if you do subscribe, I will see you on Monday, My Life Monday. Bye!